Hey everybody, Dustin here from OCD. We have a beautiful M5 back here. We just did a full body paint protection film on. I just want to show you what we got done, how crispy that install was, and if this is something that you're interested in the future, give us a call. We'll give you a quote today and get that thing protected.